Hello everyone, today we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison between Cash App and Venmo. Starting with Cash App, originally known for peer-to-peer money transfers. Cash App also lets users buy and sell Bitcoin directly within the app. It's super easy to use, perfect for beginners. You can invest with just a few taps, and funds are pulled straight from your balance to a linked bank account. What makes Cash App great is its simplicity. There's no complicated interface, no learning curve, and you can even withdraw Bitcoin to a personal wallet, which a lot of other beginner apps don't offer. However, it only supports Bitcoin, no Ethereum, Solana, or any other cryptocurrencies. Now let's look at Venmo. Venmo is owned by PayPal and it's all about social payments. When you pay or get paid, there's a social feed that shows the transaction details without showing amounts. This makes it fun, social, and a little more engaging. You can send and receive money with comment or emoji, split bills or group payments easily, or get Venmo debit card, pay business or online merchants directly. And recently, Venmo added the ability to buy crypto too, but unlike Cash App, Venmo doesn't offer stock trading or Bitcoin transfers to external wallets. Its crypto is stored within the app and isn't as flexible. So go with Cash App if you want more private, all-in-one finance app with investing and Bitcoin support. Or choose Venmo if you enjoy the social feed, love splitting payments, and use PayPal or Venmo to shop. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.